Good afternoon, everyone. You're watching the Bonhata weekly update of May 22nd. Today, our weekly update is devoted again to the SZW emergency regulation. Last week, more information came out, and because we receive a lot of questions from our members about the exact content of the regulations and what is and is not allowed, we will discuss this in detail today. But like every week, we will start with the latest numbers regarding COVID-19 on Bonaire. As you can see, the number of active COVID-19 cases on Bonaire is still 0. Tests are still being conducted, and the increase in the number of repatriated residents returning to Bonaire is causing more people in quarantine. A total of 293 people have now been tested and 90 people are currently in quarantine. Now we turn to the main topic of today, the SZW emergency regulation. Last Friday, SZW released a statement about temporary changes to the current regulation. Because this raised questions from our members, our executive board had a meeting with Erik Brakke and Gerard Meijer from SZW this week to discuss the details. We will try to clarify the temporary changes and the extension of the regulations. The current emergency regulation will end on June 12th. At present, a total of 3,715 employees have been registered for the SZW emergency scheme, of which 2,471 employees on Bonaire. In total, 431 companies on Bonaire use the emergency regulation. Now that the current emergency regulation expires on June 12th, SZW has looked at a temporary relaxation of the rules. Social Affairs noted that for some entrepreneurs it is financially advantageous to remain closed and receive full payroll subsidies instead of opening partially or fully in order to service the local market. Because SZW finds that the emergency regulation should not be a limiting force to the economy and to restart the business community, they decided that everyone up to 12th of June will have the opportunity to open their business with full staff without a reduction in the salary compensation. This gives companies the opportunity to properly test whether it pays for them to open up to the local market. An example. A restaurant actually wants to open, but they are not sure whether it can be profitable for 2, 3 or 7 days. By opening, for instance, for 3 days in the next 3 weeks, or 1 week 2 days and 1 week 3 days, the entrepreneur can see what is the best business model for him. Bonhata thinks this is a wonderful initiative of SZW, and we notice that they are willing to work with the entrepreneurs to discover where opportunities lie in the short term. SZW hopes that with this exception, entrepreneurs will have the opportunity to be able to find new revenue and to put their employees back to work so that after June 12th, many employees will be able to leave the emergency regulation. Bonhata hopes that the local economy will regain some traction in the coming period. Let's support our companies that are open. As announced this week, an extension of the support package will go into effect on June 13th, again for 3 months. The new package is expected to be roughly the same as the current emergency regulations, but a few minor changes will be made. SZW will publish the exact details and the necessary paperwork on the RCN website in the coming weeks. All employers will have to take action in order to qualify for the extended package. If nothing has changed, you will be asked to send in a statement of that using a form that will be published. If there are changes, you will be asked to send in a change form with the correct details for the period after June 12th. Because the transition from the current package to the extended package happens in the middle of a month, it's important to send in your forms on time in order to get full payment for the month of June. SZW asks you to do so in the first week of June. In all conversations with our members, we notice that there is confusion about the possibility to apply for exceptions to the rule of not being allowed to work while receiving salary subsidies from SZW. Bonhata has discussed this in detail with SZW. In general, it's not allowed to collect salary support for revenue-generating work. It is, however, definitely possible to apply for exceptions in order to keep your business open and in good working order. Tasks like marketing, cleaning, landscaping, administration and normal daily maintenance are important to keep up with and will be allowed by SZW under the support regulation. It is very important, however, to apply for this exception via email at noodregeling.szw@rijksdienstcn.com. You can see the email on the screen behind me. It is clear that cleaning and maintenance are very important in order not to see your products and your assets deteriorate. SZW has indicated that they interpret the exception rule generously so that we can all ensure that our accommodations and our products can be kept clean and well maintained in order to be ready when we open up to tourists again. What is not allowed under the exception rule? For example, if you put employees to work for major maintenance, renovation or construction, for which you would normally hire a construction company or a contractor, no permission will be granted. We therefore advise you to contact SZW directly if in doubt. Bonhate has also asked SZW whether you can organize volunteer work with your team. And the answer to this is yes, please. So come clean up some East Coast with your employees, or help clean up Sargassum, cook for people who are struggling, or help, for example, with jobs at the animal shelter. There are many activities that you can undertake together for a better Bonaire. That's it for this week. If you want to be kept informed weekly, like and subscribe at our YouTube channel right here. Here you will find all the weekly updates of the past weeks. The weekend is just around the corner and the weather is going to be nice. So support your local business, enjoy your weekend and see you next week.